How to make sourdough herb crackers. For the ingredients you will need: whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, salt, sourdough starter that's at least 100% hydrated, meaning 50-50 flour liquid ratio, butter, dried herbs of your choice, I'm using Italian seasoning here, and grated pecorino or Parmesan cheese, and olive oil for brushing on top. In a large bowl, whisk together both flours, herbs, and salt. Then whisk in cheese. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Then pour in sourdough discard, softened butter, and stir. Divide the dough in half. Push each half apart, leaving both in the bowl, then refrigerate for 30 minutes until firm. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Remove one dough half from the bowl and place the remaining back in the fridge. Each dough half will make one large cracker sheet. Place one dough half on a floured 16.5 by 11.5 inch parchment paper. Roll out the dough half to about 1/16 inch thick or the full sheet of parchment paper. All rolled out, transfer the dough and parchment together to a baking sheet. Lightly brush the top with oil and sprinkle over salt. Use a sharp knife or pizza wheel to cut dough into 1 1/4 inch squares. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure to turn the baking sheet about the 10-minute mark to brown the crackers evenly. Remove any edge crackers if browning quicker. In the meantime, roll out and prep the other dough half. First batch coming out and second batch going in, or bake them at the same time. Transfer crackers to a wire rack so they can cool. Both batches are done. Now enjoy.